Hi guys. I'm just going to go over my. Oh, shoot. Hi guys. I'm going to just go over starting off my favorite TV show slides and making sure that you kind of know what I want. So here's my model, my favorite TV show, my slides. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to actually take out and put in my title. So my favorite TV show is going to be Stranger Things. Okay, so I'm putting that in, and it is a Netflix show. So I'm taking out all those other options and I'm just going to Netflix. Okay. And then just for the sake of privacy, because I might put some of your slides maybe like on a video, or I might put them on a Padlet for you all to look at. So let's just put our initials and not actually put our names. So I'm just going to put my initials, HK. Okay. So that's the first slide I've done. Then I said that the next thing that you could do is insert a link to a clip of the show or to a trailer. So I'm going to go ahead and I've already done one, but I'm actually going to remind you how to do that. So there's the example. I'm going to leave it there, but I can go put my cursor there. I'm going to go up here to insert and say a link. Where is it? Sorry. Insert a link, right? I go to my YouTube channel, and let's say this is the link that I want to do. I copy that link, right? And I go back to my slides, and I can go Control V, I can put it in there. So I can say 11 versus, or I'll just say Stranger Things video. Okay, there we go. So that's how I would do that. I'm actually going to So that's how I could insert a link. The one that I'm really interested in is my one here, which I would keep, but just a reminder how to insert a link, okay? I go to my next slide. Let's see, I want a summary of the show. So my information says to add a brief summary of the show here, write bullets and complete sentences, include main characters, where and when the show takes place, what happens in the show, and the main problems or conflicts. So um, I've got a pretty good idea of what I'm looking for. So actually, I can take all that stuff out because I'm not going to use it. Okay, delete it. I'm going to put some bullets in. Let's see. Up here, I'm going to put my bullets and I'm going to say, okay, Stranger Things is a Netflix show that takes place in a town called Hawkins in the 1980s. Okay. Now, Stranger Things is the title of a TV show, so I'm actually going to put that. I think TV shows are actually italics, so I'm going to italicize that. Okay. There we go. Now, my next bullet, I'm going to say the main characters are a group of teens, including Mike, Will, and 11. Okay, then I'm going to say 11 is a girl who has supernatural powers and can move things with her mind. Okay. And one more thing, important conflicts. The teenagers are trying to defeat an evil force in the town. They frequently run into science fiction types of monsters called demagogues. Okay. And there I've got all my bullets. What I might do is I actually might make the font a little bit bigger on this. Okay. I'm going to go up to 18 and I'll have to play around with this. I can move this to the side and maybe move this one a little bit further out just so I can fit all my text. I think that's good. And then the last thing I'm going to do on this slide here is just, it says a picture or something. So I'm going to take all that out and I'm going to see if I can find a picture. Insert image. I'm going to try and search the web. Okay. Demagogue. Let me see if I can find that. None of that really works for me. No, let me try something else. How about Stranger Things? Cast, how about that? There we go. There's 11, she's one of the main characters, so I'm going to use her. There we go. Okay, and I insert that. I have to move it over, make it fit, so I'm going to play around with it a little bit more. You guys know how to do this. But there we go. Okay, play with it a little bit more. Oh, there we go. I'm going to move this up. Move this to the side. All right. I might fix this up a little bit more. All right. But you guys get the idea of what I want you doing here. Okay. Just remember to erase things that you don't need and use the template to insert some things. Okay. A little further down here. So this is why you want to watch the show. And then this last one, actually, let me do that again. Why you should watch the show. Again, use the sentence frames, use what I'm looking for here, add a picture. And then last piece is the best scene from the show. So what's your favorite show scene? And then if you want to, you could find a link to like your favorite scene that happens in the show. Okay. So that's really it. If you have any questions on this, please feel free to email me or we can set up a Google Hangout also if you need some more help. All right. Please use this as a reference for what I'm looking for on these slides. Thanks.